And say good morning, Grandma. Or great grandma. Say hi. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a superstar. Hi. Hi, Mommy. Look. It's a pretty baby. This is green. Green. This one stretched out on his back is purple. That one is blue and yellow. This is Bella. This one is pink and yellow. This one right here. Hey, wake up. Wake up, baby. Wake up. Wake up. Good morning. It's green again. Green. That one's pink. Hi. Oh, his ear. Your grandma, baby? Yeah. Ah, so sleepy. So sleepy. So sleepy. Yeah, I know how to walk. Look at me. My name's Green and I know how to walk. Oh, there's Zuni. And Bella.
Hey guys, I'm going to jump 15 bucks and my body's going to have some top before. Let's bring this to our first exercise, lung strengthening. You guys are going to hold me underwater for 40 seconds. That's 20 less than a minute. My body's natural instinct is going to be to resist, but no matter what, don't let up. If there's any problem at all,
Hey, hello.
ring this bell.
Hello. Say hi, Belle. Say hi, Belle. They're all right in your way. You can't get in, right? Let's see if we can move them. Move. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Good morning. Oh, one came back. Come on. Go, Mommy. Go. Oh.
37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, let him up. Get him up, get him up, get him up! Rod, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Come on, Rod. You almost drowned. Denise just gave your mouth enough to save you.
Zuni. Hello. Zuni. Zoo baby. Look at me. Good boy. That's a good boy. Hello.
What happens when you get a bad batch of Botox? Nothing good.
Why are you crying? What are you doing? Why Why are you over there by yourself? Oh no. Oh no, he's so traumatized.
I'm going to Vermont with Vanessa for 2 days.
I got a bunch of friends coming over this week.
What friends?
Well, it's just some people I met at the rock concert. Mind if they use your bed?
Because they're really good people, Jerry. I'm telling you, they're anarchists. They're
Girl, mommy's trying to teach you how to potty. Go in that hole over there. Mommy's trying to teach you how to potty.
So what are we going to do?
Right?
Great. All right, I'll speak to you.
Wow.
Wilkinson, the guy who's supposed
Wow.
to tell us when to sell the stock, he's in the hospital.
Good morning.
Ring forms to a magnificent.
Plus, she's a dermatologist. Very rare.
Belle, you're not supposed to lay in the potty. Oh, look at that cute little face, mommy. And that one. And that one. And that one. He's a good baby. Oh, mommy. Look. Wow. Say Happy New Year, Grandma. We couldn't make it, but here's a video of us.
I guess something pretty hard for somebody to understand.
Happy New Year.
No, not hard at all. So anyway, George, that one, Ray, she really likes you. She's coming to help you. She wants you to ask her.
Belle. Belle.
All you gotta do is
Belle, mommy. Oh.
right here, right now in the
Hello.
cafeteria. What if she said no? I don't know if I could take that kind of a rejection. Besides, I think she'd rather go with somebody else.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. Oh, hello. Say bye-bye, Grandma. You're so pretty. See, look how pretty I am. My name is Pink, and I'm pretty. Hello. Mwah.
Since you're new here,
Zuni,
you make like a tree,
get back.
get out of here.
Let me get video. Now we gotta eat, so we go bye-bye.